Everybody, it's my honor to present our Bluetooth communication system for firefighting purpose. It consists of 3 parts: the Bluetooth adapter, the burn conduction headset, and the speaker mic. Let me show you how to wear the headset. Wear it like this over your ear, and make sure the earbud is close to ear. Here, this place, close to ear, and the band is adjustable according to a head size. You can adjust the size, the length, that is way. And then the cable here, it supports blind plug-in, that is way. Okay, to unplug it, that is a locker here. Just pull this ring, pull it. That is a locker here. Make sure you pull this part. That's all. Okay, let me show you how to power on the speaker mic. Here is the power on button. Press here for 3 seconds, and you can see 1, 2,
Bluetooth
3.
power on.
Okay, you see the LED. And then to power on the
Battery
adapter,
low.
press it for several seconds. 1, 2, 3. And then you can do NFC quick pairing.
NFC adapter detected.
Okay, just tap and pair very quick.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay, it's connected now. Okay, my pleasure to introduce the loudspeaker function of the speaker mic. You can speak to the audience. You can speak to the audience. Press once to turn it on.
Hello, check. When my mouth is covered by the mask, I can still speak to the audience, to the colleagues around me. Okay? To turn it on, you can single press.
We introduce another main function. It features AI voice command. When your hands are busy, you can speak out a phrase such as "Hey PTT," "Hello PTT," to trigger it on. Hello, check. Now it's triggered. Okay. And to end the section, you just speak out "PTT over." Now it's over now. That's all. This device also has another function. When you are in need of emergent help, you can put this device into an emergency mode. Simply press and hold for 6 seconds.
Urgent help.
Now it's broadcasting urgent help every 8 seconds. And you still can speak out,
Hello, help, please help.
"Please help me."
Urgent help.
Okay, that's all. And this device also features flashlight function. Simply by double click the volume up, down, okay? Okay. To turn it off, again, double press. And in order to increase or decrease the volume, you need to press and hold. Press and hold. Press and hold. And I need to mention that in order to turn off the adapter, you need to turn off the speaker first. Okay? Because when they are connected, you cannot turn off the adapter.